my name is Joe Ingleby, and this is my presentation on the project that I built using AWS services. First, I'm showing you right now is a website that I had already built using JavaScript and React. This website is a way for me to track the books that I've read. What I wanted to add and what I've done here as part of my project is I've added a way to track authors and to be notified when any authors that I've tracked have released a new book. So the way that this works is this front end sends APIs to API Gateway, which triggers off a bunch of Lambdas, which do different things, and I'll show you now. So as an example, I might remove an author first and then add them. So this author I'm removing, that's running a Lambda to remove an author. I'm going to add him again. He's an Australian, and I know he's had a book released recently, so I want to add him. But I add J. Christoph to my tracked authors list. That's a Lambda, which adds it to the DynamoDB that I've got running in the background. Here are all my tracked authors, and here are the recent books that they've released. Now, J. Christoph isn't here because the Lambda that finds the recently released books only runs once a week, but I'm actually going to show it now. So this Lambda is the check for new releases Lambda, and what I'm going to do is test it. So I'm going to run it manually. We can see here in the terminal, what it's currently doing is going through all the different authors that I have added to my list. It's going to the Open Library API and it's checking to see if they've had any books released recently. And then what it will do is add them to the DynamoDB table for recently released books, which is here. So here, yep, it's just added this one. So you can see here, date added. This is now while I'm doing the recording. So I'll go back here to see the results. Authors checked 7, new books found 3. Great. So we've got 3 books that he has released. They're actually all the same book. Empire of the Dawn is Empire of the Vampire Untitled 3 or Untitled Vampire 3. But this is great. This has been sent. So when I go back to Booklog and refresh the recent books, here they are. So now I have a way to know I can add book authors to a list and know whenever they release a new book. Thank you so much. Happy to answer any questions.